Ready to dive into the world of Ethereum, but not sure where to start buying? Today, we're breaking down the best places to buy Ethereum, so you can make an informed decision. First up, let's talk platforms. You have major players like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Coinbase is popular for its user-friendly interface, especially for beginners. Security is a top priority, but keep an eye on those slightly higher fees. They accept various payment methods like debit cards and bank transfers and are widely available in many countries. Next, we have Binance. Known for its extensive range of cryptocurrencies and lower fees. However, the interface can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers. They also boast strong security measures and support multiple payment options depending on your region. Security should always be your number one concern. Look for platforms with features like two-factor authentication, cold storage of funds, and a solid track record. Fees can really eat into your profits, so compare trading fees, deposit fees, and withdrawal fees across platforms. Some platforms offer lower fees for higher trading volumes. Finally, consider geographical availability. Not all platforms operate in every country due to regulations. Double-check that your chosen platform is available in your region. By weighing these factors, security, fees, payment methods, and availability, you can confidently choose the Ethereum exchange that best fits your needs. Happy trading! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.